are HB latex edge guards, but if you look at them, they're a little different than regular HB edge guards. Normally the edge guard would just have the top part here and then the part that slides onto the platen. This is a double edge guard. I sometimes call it a butterfly edge guard. The way you make one of these is you take a regular edge guard, you order an additional set of edge guards, and then you take them apart. When you put them back together again, you're going to put both edge guards into the single screw that held the other one together. So all you're doing is adding one additional edge guard to the point where the screw is. And then when you assemble them back together, you have a double edge guard. Now, why would you make this? I use it for two things primarily. High-intensity prismatic, your reflective films like 3M, they're expensive, and when they go through the printer, I don't want to waste anything. They tend to curl a little bit. I need a little bit more strength to hold them down as they go through the original edge guards. I don't want it to come up a little after the edge guard and have the carriage touch it and have the entire print have to be trashed. It's expensive. So I use this double edge guard to hold everything down until it gets past the print zone, and then it's fine. So I use these double edge guards for high-intensity prismatic because it's got a lot of memory. Similarly, some 12-point cardstock or heavy papers may also have a lot of memory. And I need just a little more pressure at the front end to hold everything down. That's what I use these for. Any material that, because the regular edge guards won't quite keep it down because it still tries to come up, the double edge guard may solve that problem. This is a workaround. You cannot order a double edge guard set. What you do is order the extra kit and then assemble it together. So I have two sets of edge guards. One is my regular edge guard, which is I use for almost everything on the printer, and then one set if I'm going to do high-intensity prismatic or some certain types of cardstocks, and then I'm going to put these on. These are the double or butterfly edge guards. Just wanted to explain it and recommend it in case you need them for high-intensity prismatic.